Hello everyone, my name is Henry Rodgers and I'm a managing partner with the law firm of Solomon Rodgers. So I'm going to take a moment to talk about the general overview of workers' compensation, what it is and what are some of the key components of workers' compensation. Workers' compensation is a type of insurance designed to help injured workers. Every employer in California is required to have workers' compensation insurance. Workers' compensation insurance provides a couple of key benefits. The first one being free medical care. The second one, temporary disability payments. And temporary disability payments are bi-weekly payments to help injured workers. Typically, an injured worker will receive approximately 2/3 of their pay tax-free while they're getting better. In addition, there's also permanent disability. Now, permanent disability is a way of quantifying damage to the body, because ultimately you should be entitled to some type of settlement. You deserve to be compensated for the damage you've sustained on the job. Now, there are two types of injuries that you can have in workers' compensation, essentially. The first one is what we call a specific injury, and that's the easiest one to understand. For example, if you fell down the stairs, or you broke your leg at work, or a box fell on your head, that would be a specific injury, and we can point to an exact date and you know what happened. The second type of injury is what we call a continuous trauma, and that's an injury that happens over time. Every day you're going to work, day in and day out, perhaps you do something repetitive. You type or you carry boxes, and you're doing microscopic damage to your body. Over time, that wear and tear keeps developing, and before you know it, you end up with this injury. That's the second type of injury, and it's also a very common injury. And sometimes people don't realize that they should be compensated for that, and that's covered under workers' compensation, but I assure you it is. Now, in addition to that, there's also a whole host of other procedures and benefits which you may be entitled to. So I'm going to go into detail on some of those later on. We're going to go in a point-by-point breakdown. So if you have any questions, please check out our website, srhelps.com, or give us a call at the office, 844-SR-HELPS. Again, that's 844-SR-HELPS.